Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right in the middle we've got the option connected with the resolution, so let's tap on it. And in this device we've got two different options, so 720p, which is currently applied, and 1080p, which we can apply right now. So just tap on it, it will be immediately highlighted. It is also It's also notified right here on this icon, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution to record a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.